So, this is what I'm doing at school right now, installing cameras. This is a room with expensive stuff. This is what it looks like above. It's pretty cool. That's what it looks like in the ceiling. This is the second floor. I'm going somewhere in that area where there's a little bit of blue. Those are internet wires. I'll see you at the other end. It looks like we'll be wasting 50 feet of wire because it's 2 feet too short. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna have someone down there pull it down. You can pull it down now. And this is the fun part, dangerous part. If it goes in fully, perfectly, or if it gets stuck halfway through. Pull on some more. Is it stuck? I think that's it.
Yeah, it's so close.
Alright, this one went by good. Here it is. Alright, 2 more to go. As you can see, it's right there. And it just barely does not reach the bottom. I'm recording this for YouTube.
Oh, okay, thanks.
I'm not showing anyone's face.
I end up on the main page all the time, I feel like, anyway.
It would have been good if I got one teacher's response a couple of days ago after the testing. One student, a senior, was like, this is the last day I'm going to be here. And he's like, no, you're not. You still have school next week. And he's like, no, I've got everything done. I don't have to. I don't care about the couple points knocked off. I'm never coming to school again. The teacher's face was just perfect. It was like,
That's awesome.
the Mike Wazowski meme?
Yeah. That's what it was like.
Yeah. Yeah, you can pull it down now.
Can you pull it out?
Yeah, pull it up. Goes in. Hopefully. Oh no, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Pull it out. No, push it back in. Push it back in. I didn't install the 50-foot extension for that extra 2 feet that it was short. But yeah, that's my mistake. Yeah, you can pull it out. Yeah, in fact, I actually did my work now. I actually did this right now. New wire in. 50 feet of wire about to be wasted. Because this wire is just 2 feet short. Third wire in. One more. Just one more.
Yeah, but there's no one.
Chances of problems increase exponentially.
It's going.
Alright, yes, I'm at school. Yes, I'm allowed to do this. No, I'm not wearing safety goggles. It's fine. Pause.